In this video, we are out in the field with the John Deere S690 combine harvesting corn in northern New York. Pulling the grain cart is this John Deere 9510R tractor equipped with Titan LSW tires. These wide tires provide excellent flotation in the muddy conditions that we have in northern New York. The S690 was a brand new design for John Deere. It featured an updated cab, feeder housing, body styling, and the cab even included a refrigerator. The John Deere S690 was the largest of the S-Series combines introduced in the year 2012. It's a Class 9 combine powered by a 543 horsepower engine. The 9510R is pulling an Unverferth Manufacturing 1015 Extreme grain cart. This grain cart holds just over 1,000 bushels. It has a 20-inch unloading auger and can unload 620 bushels per minute. It's running 960 by 32 tires, which gives it a ground pressure of 24.89 psi when fully loaded. These tires help this 1,000-bushel grain cart float across the mud and keep the harvest running smoothly. A standard S690 grain bin is 400 bushels. This one is equipped with the PHT 100 grain bin extension. This adds 100 bushels of capacity and brings this combine's grain bin up to 500 bushels. The combine is running a John Deere 612C corn head. This is a 12-row 30-inch corn head, which comes out to about 30 feet wide. With longer rows and high-yielding corn, this combine could only make one pass before it needed to unload into the grain cart again. I hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with this John Deere S690 combine. If you love farm equipment videos, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any of this farming action.